All right, mi gente, Louis the Boiler Man here. Guys, we're here in Freeport, New York. So I was here last week because they told me they needed some cooling. We took care of an issue they had at the condenser, and they gave us a call back. And they told us, yeah, Louis, it's not working again. Just stop working. I said, okay, no problem. We go back. It's a call back. And guess what I found? I found there's no power, guys. So what do we have to do? Because this power that goes from the switch, from the emergency switch to the unit. So what I did as an emergency, you see this right here? It's a temporary thing. So I spliced it, I put an extension cord, and I put it to the nearest outlet, which is upstairs. I want to show you guys something. So you guys can see the building and bathroom. They're doing some wiring work over here, some other type of electrical work. And basically what I'm trying to say, guys, is listen, sometimes things happen. It is what it is, but we got to find the solution. So I had to improvise. So the word of the day is improvise. So you got to do whatever it takes. It's 95 plus degrees outside. It's hot. Customers, it's giving them anxiety, and it's uncomfortable. So guess what? I can't wait till the electrician comes here. It's Saturday, so he's gonna come here Monday or whenever he can. But in the meantime, I improvise. So we got this extension cord right here, you guys can see. We put it to the nearest outlet, and we splice it to the box. So what I'm saying, guys, listen, you gotta do whatever it takes. So this a technique that I use that, hey, it happens. Even when we had Hurricane Sandy, I had to do the same thing with generators. We had to figure it out. So guys, part of your job is figuring out a solution. Sometimes the solution is not there. It's not in the book. It's not an open book that you can read and find it. You gotta figure it out and just do it on your own. So hey, that's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. So she has air conditioning. It's cooling, even though it's an old unit, it's an R22 system, but it still works. So I'm happy to help her. Because man, 95 degrees, high humidity, you can only just imagine how uncomfortable it is. So guys, whatever you guys doing out there, do the right thing. At the same time, if you have to improvise, it is what it is. But what you got to do is be transparent with the customer and let them know what's going on so they have understanding. As long as it's not nothing dangerous, nothing crazy going on, it can be done, guys. So with that being said, call Louis the Boiler at 516-377-5200 if you have any problems today with your air conditioning, because we're swamped, baby, but I can still make it happen. Wepa.